Did you hear about Melody? She's a 14-year-old Gentoo penguin from Sea Life Tarlton's Aquarium in Auckland, and she just had an incredible adventure. With some help from the Sea Life team, she waddled her way to the Eye Institute for some very special surgery, her vision-saving cataract surgery. So what are cataracts, you might be wondering? Imagine looking through a foggy window. That's kind of what it's like for someone with cataracts. It happens when the clear lens in the eye gets cloudy, making it really hard to see. For Melody, this meant that she had trouble seeing her friends and food, and she was getting kind of startled by all of the action around her. Melody's surgery was a big team effort. Experts from Sea Life Tarlton's, the Eye Institute, and Auckland Zoo all worked together to make sure she was safe and comfortable. Dr. Hadden has spent a lot of time studying penguin vision and has been a big help in making sure Melody can see clearly again. I wonder how similar penguin eyes are to human eyes. Let's ask Dr. Hadden.
It's kind of similar to on a human, obviously. The head's a lot smaller, so it's kind of hard to know where to hold your hands when you do the cataract surgery, but the eye actually is about the same size, so that makes it easier. It's got 3 eyelids, and the thing that we use to hold the lids apart's only got space for 2 eyelids, so you had to use some stitches to stitch the other eyelid back.
After her surgery, Melody needed some time to recover. She stayed on land for a few weeks to heal and make sure everything was okay. And guess what? 2 months later, she's all better. Her eyesight is back to normal and she's ready to join her penguin pals for nesting season with her partner. If you'd like to see Melody and all her underwater friends like sharks and turtles, head to Sea Life Tarlton's in Auckland.